Hey y'all, it's Empress, it's Empress. No, listen, this is just a quick video. I'm gonna show y'all I'm making some butter. So I'm gonna show y'all the process. And I've already emptied my container. I should have showed you the container. Wait a minute, right here. So you need, heavy whipping cream. And then you're gonna put it right into your mixer, okay? I am using my newest KitchenAid. I have more than one because I make other stuff, but we ain't talking about that. So for your butter, you're gonna add the heavy whipping cream to your mixer. Let's see here. Just like so. Add that to your mixer, and then we're gonna put a little bit of sea salt in it. Yep, we're gonna make our own sea salt butter. And you can make any kind of butter. You can make herb butter, cilantro butter. That's actually what I'm doing with some of it. And then some of it is just gonna be plain sea salt butter. So you're gonna add a pinch, because I'm not great with measuring. I just do it like Nike. So we're gonna put the sea salt, and I am using Celtic sea salt. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit in there, and then we are going to turn it on. So be right back. All right, so you see the Celtic sea salt in there, and we're gonna put this down, and we're gonna take that and make sure all that good cream is in there. And then we're gonna put the splash guard on, just like that, because we don't want no splashes. And we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna let it go. Here we go. If you're using a KitchenAid when you're making your butter, you're gonna slowly, gradually turn up. See, we're on 2 now, but we want to achieve 8. So I'm gonna go up to 6 now.
And I'm gonna let that go at 6. And eventually, I'm gonna get all the way to take it up to 8. So I'll be right back when I turn it up to 8.
Okay, we are about 7, 8 minutes in. And we're gonna take it up a notch. And now we're at 8. So we're gonna let that go. Be right back. Okay, y'all, I wanted to stop here to show you how I scrape down the bowl, because the fats will begin to separate, and you want to make sure that butter fat stays down in the liquid, because you want to extract as much of the liquid from the fat. This is how you achieve your butter thickness, whether if you want it whipped or you want it plain where you can just slice it, and you end up with your buttermilk this way. So you want to stop it and look at the texture. Little mixing on 8. You can see the fat separating. Right up.
So let's turn this down and see what we have achieved. Almost there. But you can see the butter curds bouncing around in there, and I'm gonna slow it down a little bit more for you. See your butter? Now your fat is separated from your milk, and you got buttermilk and butter. I'm just gonna crank it up for it all to collect in there, and I'll be right back with the finished product.
Now here's your butter separated from your buttermilk. All we have to do now is strain it and either press it together, or you can continue to whip a little more after you pour it off, and you'll have whipped butter. This is one that I did earlier. I just thought I'd come and show you how I strained it off, but see how it still has buttermilk coming from it. So you have to make sure you squeeze all that through. So I'll be right back. to show you how we do that. We're gonna pour this off into the one I have in the mixer, and I'm gonna gather the other, and we're gonna squeeze off the additional buttermilk. Be right back.
Okay, we're gonna pour this buttermilk off. Let me get the rest of that out, and I'll be right back. Follow. Be nice now. So I wonder if you can see the difference. I'm going to show you again the first one that I did compared to this one with the sea salt. This one is unsalted. It's had a chance to sit out, and I showed you how you can see that buttermilk in there. We'll just pour that off. And then we're going to let this sit, and we'll come back to package it up.
Okay, YouTube, we're back and we're getting ready. This is our whipped butter. This is the one you saw me drain off. So I'm getting ready to add my parsley to it. Pour some herb butter. You can add parsley or cilantro or any other type of herb of your choice.
And now we're going to put this back down. And it's really good. Me and Mr. Hicks tasted it. It has a nice whip to it. And you can see the parsley mixed into it. Now, we actually can add some garlic and make it a garlic butter if we wanted to. If you were making garlic bread or something like that, then you may want to add some garlic to your butter. And that's really about it. We are finished with this. We're just going to package it up, and I'll show you.
You see, I don't see any more buttermilk that came off of this. And I wanted to scrape this live with you so that you can see down there at the bottom. See how there's no milk. We strained all that. This is all butter. Okay, so we'll bring you back for the packaging. All right, so we are back, and this is the finished product of both butters. So we took the first butter that I showed you that was yellow. I put it into a Ziploc bag from that bowl, and I took the edge of my spatula and just smoothed it down to the end, and then you can take it and roll it like that, and you can store it in your freezer. Okay, this one, the whipped butter with the parsley, is right here. So we have made some whipped butter. I've showed you how to do whipped butter, as well as we have our regular butter. There's nothing in this one, no salt, no nothing. It's just butter. And here we have sea salt and parsley. And after we poured the buttermilk off, we put the butter back into the mixer, and we continue to mix it until it whipped. And that's how you get your whipped butter. And then you can add whatever flavorings of seasonings that you want with it. That way you have this when you're ready to cook. You can throw it in the pan and keep it moving. All right. Thanks for joining Lady Empress on making your. I'm just going to tell you to tune in to Lady Empress. I appreciate you guys for watching this video of how to make your own butter at home. Whipped herb butter with sea salt and plain butter. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch some of these other videos. Bye.